Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a luxurious and spacious home for sale. It is located at 39 Pine Close in Huddersfield, St. Mary. It sits on 0.28 acres of land. It boasts 5 bedrooms plus a helper's quarters, 5 full bathrooms, and 1 powder room. The property also features a double garage, large kitchen with mahogany cabinetry, pantry, formal dining area, utility and washroom, and a large entertainment area to the back with a barbecue and pizza oven. The upstairs gathering room offers stunning 180-degree ocean views, perfect for enjoying time with family and friends. The property also includes a brick driveway, manicured lawns, garden area, meshed windows, hurricane shutters, solar system, security camera, and an electronic gate for added security. The master bedroom boasts a jacuzzi tub and large walk-in shower, while a water fountain adds a touch of elegance to the property. This home truly has it all, combining luxury, comfort, and security in a beautiful setting. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 68 million or US $441.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.